You can fall out of love without falling into hate, and that is a really important component because I went through it myself with my first marriage. So first at Primus, I think the most important thing to understand is that we are people before we are attorneys, and we know that because this is an inherently difficult process, there are going to be a lot of ups and downs. It's going to be very challenging at times. We will do our best to fight hard for you. But by the same token, there are some things you can think about when this decision comes, and whether you're a part of it or not, a willing participant or not, there are things that you can do to try to help make it a little bit easier. One of the things that I like to think about is called you can fall out of love without falling into hate, and that is a really important component because I went through it myself with my first marriage. And what happened is I started resenting every single thing that ever happened between me and my first wife. It was as if there were no good times. All the reasons why we got together, the reasons why we had children, all of those things went away, and it turned into this bitter hatred. And it made me realize that it doesn't have to be that way. There's going to be a lot of negative emotions. It's going to be very difficult at times. There's going to be things that happen that you're not going to like and that your spouse isn't going to like. But how you choose to deal with that and what you choose to do with that can greatly affect the outcome. You don't have to necessarily hate each other to just realize that maybe you don't love each other anymore and it's best for you guys to just live apart. Whether you remain as friends or not, you still don't have to hate each other because it was originally built on something much better than that.